How do you train people on a new skill? You could be taking a lecture, giving them a book, involve them in an activity, or simply give them self-paced learning course. Let's see some common ways lessons can be delivered to learners today. A traditional lecture format, you just explain them the fundamentals in a classroom and run a presentation alongside. To make this more interesting, you can add visuals to your presentation. To make it more engaging, you can design activities around your course and involve them in it. In some scenarios, instructional designers or trainers create a project instead of giving a small activity to support learners with an element of practice on a realistic scenario for a better grasp of concepts. Lastly, a very exciting and effective way to deliver learning is through gamification. And by gamification, I do not mean just adding the game elements like progress bars and badges, but building the learning logic in the process of gamification. Let's say you want to teach your learners how disclosures can be used in storytelling. How can we do that? Instead of just giving the theory or instructions to use disclosures, the trainer asks the learner to play a simple game. The idea is to make them realize the power of the method taught by playing it the right way. The trainer makes the learner go through a process of telling story in a format of action, then disclosure, then action, and continue. This is the form of experiential learning that makes a lesson look less daunting and more interesting.